Hello everybody, and welcome back. This is my 1987 Mercedes 300 diesel. Now, I don't know how many of you have this issue, but I just went through and replaced my gauge cluster. But the only issue being, when I replaced my gauge cluster, since this is a gray market car, it's just easier to show you what happens. So I open it.
For powering.
A light turns on the dash. My radio turns on, and some other miscellaneous stuff turns on. Now, here's the gauge cluster I installed. I had to take the odometer reading out and put it in this cluster. Now, I also adjusted the speedo needle, so my speedometer's dead on. Another issue that I have is sometimes my gas gauge goes all wonky, or fuel gauge. I don't use gas. So now I'm going to show you how to turn this, or how to take your gauge cluster out. And it is a very, very simple and easy process. Just a lot of wires on the back that you don't want to get mixed up. And I will include another video on how to put your gauge cluster back and also take it apart and replace the rheostat, along with replacing this piece right here. Just that piece. Because I know some people think that your speedo and your gauge over here are connected. They are not. There is a white piece on the center that's about, a little bit bigger than that, but I will show you everything on how to do that. This is going to be possibly a 3-part video. Video of me removing it, video of me fixing it, and I'll show you guys how to put it back. So here we go. I can just grab mine and just pull it out like so. See? Very, very easy, very simple. Now back behind here, it's easiest to come at it through this way, so you have more room, more, area to play with. But what you do is you come in, and right back in here, there's going to be a speedometer cable, and you just reach behind here, and then you can just twist it out and take it out. Now I will show you guys what that looks like and whatnot, so when you guys do it on your own. Here's the glow plug light I just unplugged. So now we have a little bit more room to play with. So you just start unplugging all your miscellaneous lights from the bottom, and then you unplug this right here. Do take care of this piece right here. This one, I broke the plastic around the outside, and there's a metal hanger here somewhere on the inside that it likes to spark on. Do not let that spark against anything. It will blow a fuse underneath the hood, so do be careful of that piece right there. So then you continue unplugging by feel. It's not that fun. I can't really do much about the visualization right now due to the lack of lighting back here. And I do apologize for the lighting. It is very dark, but yeah, I'm working with what I have here. So once you get all the lights and everything unplugged from this side, you can go ahead and move to this side and unplug that piece. Now watch what happens once I unplug this. Sorry, I might have to set this down for a second. So I took it out. Here's that. All the different wires that plug in to the gauge cluster. There's a lot of them. But also I'd like to point out the radio's off. So there we go. What that piece was right here. Every time that I would plug the gauge cluster in, the radio would come on. It was only when I plugged this piece in right here. So, with that being said, we're going to go ahead and separate this piece from this piece and replace this as well. I will show you my other piece here in the next video, so stay tuned and I will keep you guys updated on this project. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Questions, comments, concerns down in the comments, and I will see you guys next video. Have a good day. Thanks. Bye.